Hey guys! So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I am so sorry this video is going up so late. I usually never post my Boxycharm videos so late in the month, but I actually got it a little bit later than usual. So I tried to film as soon as possible, and that's today. I'm actually having a very frustrating day today. I'm just drinking some coffee to calm me down, even though coffee doesn't calm down my body, but for some reason, it calms down my mind. But I actually just got back from the dentist and I got new trays of Invisalign. I am on my second tray. I have 8 trays in total, so I think that's around like 8 months. The first 3 days I got Invisalign, like the brand new trays, I was miserable for those first 3 days. And I just got back from the dentist and I got a new tray. And right now when I pulled them off to sit down to film this video, I just know I'm gonna be in so much pain when I put them back in. I hate things that have to do with my teeth, my mouth, but I gotta stick with it. But anyway, longest in driver. Ah, it's fine. This little thing just slipped right out. It's fine. Okay, so this is what the box looks like this month. The theme is Galaxy Glow. And I'm just gonna jump right into it. The first thing I pulled out is this Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer, which I'm very excited about because my lips are so chapped right now. It says it's a blend of soft sugar crystals with a rich, nourishing soft base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. Ooh, I'm excited. By the way, I feel like ever since I got Invisalign, I talk really, really weird, even when my Invisalign is not in my mouth. I kind of feel like my tongue is just like dancing in my mouth. It's so weird. So if I'm talking weird these days, I'm gonna be talking weird for 8 months. And then some after that probably, so I'm sorry. Oh, I thought this was actually I don't know what I thought this was. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some of this onto my lips. Just removing the lip balm I had on. Ugh. This smells so good. If you don't like lemon, you're not gonna like the scent. This smells really familiar. I feel like this kind of smells like lemon bubblegum. It is a little bit oily, but the crystals are really big, so I feel like it does do a good job of exfoliating. At first when I was blending it out, I was like, this is too oily for me. It's not really exfoliating, but rubbing it in with my makeup wipe, it's really getting the crystals all up in there. My lips are nice and exfoliated, but honestly, just using sugar and like oil at home works the same. You know what I mean? But anyways, it is nice to have something that you don't have to make. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $24. All right, so I just popped on my Dreamy Ultra Satin Lip by Colourpop. And now we can move on to the rest of the box. So the next thing we have are a bunch of brushes. These are from Crown Brushes. These are all full-size, obviously, and this trio retails for $29.99. I feel like I say retail weird. Did I just say retails? I don't know. And I'm actually gonna use these brushes really quick. I actually haven't set my under eye concealer at all. It's a little creasy. Oh, I should have used this one for concealer. But I already put on concealer. This would have been perfect. These feel really, really soft. Ooh, I'm so pink today. These are so cute. They actually remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes. You know, the white ones that have the pink tip? Am I crazy or do these look identical to that? All right, so I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna use that just to blend out that concealer because it is a little bit creasy right now since I haven't set it. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Beauty Shield powder with this tapered brush and I'm gonna use that to set underneath the eyes. I feel like my voice is going away. What is happening? Really quickly, I'm gonna take a little bit of this Girlactic Face Glow in the shade Natural, and I'm just gonna dust this kind of like all over my face. And I'm not gonna do anything to my eyes at all since there's nothing in the box to really try out. But I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of that Face Glow I just used and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this. Actually, no. I'm gonna go into Moony from my Dream Street palette. And then in my inner corners, of course. Okay, so there's actually an eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I'm a fool. There are actually 2 products that I could use on my eyes. Like, what was I paying attention? This is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. And this is in the shade Amethyst. Ooh, I love amethysts. I have them like all over my house. They're my favorite. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $28. I actually think Gabby used this exact shade on my eyes for the spring shoot we just did, and it looked beautiful. So I am just gonna put I don't know if this is gonna go with this lip though. I am just gonna put a little bit on my eyes and blend it out. Let's see. I'm gonna apply it with the brush, with the applicator. And then I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I think it's amazing that we're getting this in the box because I really, really liked it. I don't know if CoverFX only came out with like these unicorny looking ones, but it would be awesome to see them create like golds and bronzes and stuff like that. I feel like I look like a 12-year-old playing in makeup right now with this little combo going on. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of my Dream Street palette and I'm gonna buff some of Shooting Star into my crease. All right, so I think I'm done with the eyes. I just need to add some mascara. Actually, I need to add some of that eyeliner. I'm just blending away some of that fallout from that CoverFX glitter shimmer thingy. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this guy. This is from, let me see, Vintage Causemetics. And this is the Smokey Eye Pencil. This retails for $21. This is the shade Jet Black. So I'm gonna apply some of this to my waterline. I don't love wooden eyeliners like this. I much prefer a twist up. You guys know that, I mention that all the time. I'm just gonna apply some of this to my waterline and I'm gonna tightline as well. Okay, so for being a wooden eyeliner, this went on so easily and so creamy. Like, my waterline is black. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily wear black eyeliner like this, like so harshly in the waterline with this look. But in terms of formula, I really like it. So maybe I will use this more often. Even though it is wooden, I think I'm gonna keep it here on my vanity and use it from time to time. So really quickly, I'm gonna pop on some mascara, my Thrive Causemetics mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I think these eyes might be a little bit too purpley for this lip. So I'm just gonna throw on some Moonchild gloss on top to see if it tones it down. All right, so there's only one more thing in the box. Oh, there's a little 20% off coupon code for CoverFX in the box as well. I didn't see that. But the last thing in this box is this guy. This is from the brand Naked Cosmetics. Oh, I love it, the holographic. The Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. It is full size and it retails for $39.99. And it's one of those holographic highlighters that are all the rage these days. Not necessarily my cup of tea, but I know people really, really love them. They're really great for like festivals, photo shoots. Like, I think they're really unique and fun and you can use them in many different ways, but for day to day, I like a more natural highlight, but it's always nice to have these on hand, you know? You never know. I think I'm actually gonna take this brush that I didn't use and I'm gonna use the gold just because it's the most wearable out of all of them, but this gold is very yellow, so I think I'm gonna mix it with a pink. I'm just gonna dip, oh, let me zoom you in. I should have never zoomed out. I'm gonna mix these two together. I like these two mixed together. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of the gold this time. A lot more of the gold this time, apparently. I mean, it is a little bit intense. It does emphasize my texture just a bit, but it does look pretty cool. Okay, so it does look a little bit strange right now just because I kind of have like a self-tanner on at the moment, and when I look straight you can kind of see the white stripes on my cheek. So I am gonna set everything and melt it all into my skin with my Morphe setting spray. And I'm actually gonna use a couple of these as eyeshadows. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this green one. Why not? Or you know what? I'm gonna use this one as my inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh, these would be amazing eyeshadows, guys. I don't love it on my skin. Like I said, it does emphasize my texture a bit, and because these kind of have like a white undertone, you see it on my face. It doesn't look the most natural, but these could be used as really, really pretty eyeshadows. And then I'm gonna take this really beautiful one right here and I'm gonna use that as my brow bone highlight. And then I'm gonna take some of that gold and put it right on top. Okay guys, so that completes this video. These were all the products I got in this month's Boxycharm. I thought it was a pretty interesting month. I would have to say my favorite product hands down is this shimmer veil. And these brushes are really soft. The eyeliner was really black even though it was wooden. I would say my least favorite things are these two, but I don't know. I think this would look so cool all over the eyes. I actually do like this, just not on my face. And this wasn't bad either. Like it exfoliated my lips. I don't know. I don't think there was anything in the box that I was like, no. But I would love to know what you think of this month's box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below how you felt about the February Boxycharm. But yeah guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!